What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another How It Works episode. And I'm your guy, Nerdy G. If this is your first time to the channel, like, subscribe, share, and do all that good old stuff. Listen, you clicked on the clip, you clicked on the thumbnail, you know what time it is. Today, I'm back with OpusClip because they are efficient, they are helpful, they are amazing. And yes, I do have affiliate links down in the description, so if you, after watching this video, if you do like what you see, listen, go right ahead, click that link. It helps the channel, it helps me continue to put out content like this. And remember, I do everything by the playlist, so anything that you want to see when it comes to how it works, just click on the How It Works playlist and you'll get all of this good old information. But today what I'm going to show you is not only am I going to show you the calendar, right, but I'm going to show you how easy it is when it comes to scheduling. So not every time somebody wants to, well, let me do it this way. Let me take a step back. So not every time somebody wants to post everything to everywhere. Okay. So we're going to say, so just for craps and giggles, right? I'm going to hit like on a few of these. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit filter. So now I have the filter, right? And I say, oh, wow, okay, I got these 7 clips that I want. So what I'll do is I'll say, I'm going to come over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want to bulk schedule these, right? So I'm going to click on select all, and I want to bulk schedule these. There's only one platform right now where you can bulk schedule these, and that's on YouTube. So as you can see, I have all of my social medias in there, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, right? And so as you can see, these things, they generate the post for you. Okay. And then if I say, okay, hey, if I want to change the tonality, if I want to change the format, if I want to change some of the hashtags, I can do this, right? I can regenerate all of this. I can let AI do it for me. I will tell you this, proofread these bad boys, okay? Proofread them. Come in here and proofread them. A woman's workplace rant goes viral that she tells the people to get up and get the left out. So, you can change that word in her. Her co-workers laugh as she criticized the expired milk and old coffee. Will she be back tomorrow? That is a question. After you crash out, will you come back to work tomorrow? Who knows? Okay. So that's not what we're looking at right here. But as you can see, those 7 clips, right? So you can say, okay, cool. I got the 7 clips. I came in here. I did my proofreading. I like the hashtags. Me personally, I would add my own hashtags with this because, of course, as always, you want to make sure that you are promoting your brand with your hashtags as well. So all you can do is you can copy paste those, right? So you go, okay, cool. I like this. I want to schedule this out, right? So now this is what you can do. You come down here and you say customize. You pick your time. So, of course, YouTube and some of these other platforms, they reward you for consistency, especially YouTube. So what I do is I'll pick my time frame of the day. Let's just say I want to do it at 10 a.m. to 10:15. Let's say it's 10:15. 10:15 every day, not every 2 hours. 10:15, but let me do every day, once a day for the next 7 days. I'm gonna click the time zone, Chicago time, so that's basically Central Time. So starts on, let's just say I want this to start on the 19th. I'm gonna click on save. Now when you go back and you look, starts on the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, the 23rd, and so forth. So now you have these videos. If you're just using YouTube, this is a godsend. Okay. If you're just using this for YouTube, this is a godsend. Okay. Now, here's the kicker. You better make sure you know what clip it is. If you're doing 7 clips like this, you better make sure that you've listened to every single clip, and you got to make sure that this fits with the description. But if you're like me and you're doing it out like this with all 4 of these, I advise you do them one by one, okay? But this makes scheduling a hell of a lot easier. This makes your efficiency go, because you can pretty much, I don't know if you guys heard of it, set it and forget it. This is literally set it and forget it in clip world. So this is amazing. And I'm going to cancel this. I'm not gonna save this, because I'm actually gonna exit schedule. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna deselect these because I don't know about these clips. I gotta go back and listen to them. I haven't listened to these yet, but this is amazing. This is what you want to do. And so when you come over here to your calendar, everything is set up. It'll post. So like, as you can see, 13, 18, these are things that I had posted. So typically at the beginning of the month, I come in and out. I know what my workflow is for the month. I know what shows are coming out. I know what videos I've already recorded. Opus helps me to further push that by allowing me to put the clips out, so I don't have to worry about every single day trying to put a clip out, because the clips are going to speak for themselves. The podcast clips are going to speak for themselves. They're going to reach an audience that I want, right? And that's how we get there. I'm also going to give you this right here. So if I want to do something different, right? If I want to do something different, which, let's see, let's take this. This is a personal upload. I don't have a full podcast. I don't have a YouTube clip for this. So basically what you do is, or basically what I did was, I uploaded from my, where are we at today? Today, I'm all the way out to October 2nd, as you guys can see. So let's take today, for example, right? If I wanted to, let's go tomorrow. So if I wanted to add something for tomorrow, which I think I actually need to do, let's see something. Or I'll start them on. All right. So as you see, hey, you can go through here. You can go through whatever you like. And as you see, it'll tell you, hey, you scheduled 56 times out of here. You scheduled 52, 56, 36. I haven't scheduled anything out of this. And then these are the things that you can schedule, right? 44, 32, whatever. All right. But I don't want to use any of these. I want to use my own video. So what I'll do is I'll come in here, let you know, MP4, drag and drop, no more than 200 MB. You say, okay, cool. So now here we are. Okay. This is a preview. This is coming out at some point. Okay. So basically, I'll come in here and I'll click on this and I'll click open. Now, as you can see, it's going to be here for every single platform. Okay, cool, right? Just remember, however you did it, you can hear all the platforms that they have: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, all of them, right? I'm not putting none of this stuff on LinkedIn. I'm not even linking it. So basically what you do is you come in. You don't have the option for them to generate this because it's your own personal content. So what I would advise you to do, know what this is saying before you upload it, and then pre-make out what you want to say for each one. Keep it cute, keep it short, make it kind of similar to the same. And then all you do is you come down, use the 24-hour format. Pick the day that you want. Well, the day is already that you scheduled it on, right? So the time frame for me is always going to be 2 p.m. I want to drop these around 2 p.m. Okay. Here's the kicker. When you drop this around 2 p.m., when you go to the next day, so you see how it says 2 p.m. So I'm going to schedule, confirm and exit, right? If I go to the 20th, upload my own, pick a different one, click open, uploaded. If you notice, the time frame stayed the same, 2 p.m. So basically, you just change the day. The time frame is going to stay the same. If you don't want the time frame to change, if you don't want the same time frame from every day, then you can change it. But that's a nice little perk that they put in there as well. So this scheduling, if you're like me and you like to be on time scheduled and you like to not have to think about posting these clips and scheduling things out a month in advance, Opus is where you need to be. Opus does this better than any other software that I've seen out there that I've kind of like played around with. Opus does this the best. So, I do get a lot of likes on my reels. I do reach a different audience. It allows me to put out so many clips that people get a chance to see, and from each different platform, whether it's the Facebook platform, the Instagram, the TikTok, the YouTube, I do get a lot of views. And like I say, YouTube rewards you for consistency. So because I have that consistency, we know every day at this time, like clockwork, as you can tell, straight across 11:15, 11:15, 11:15. There are some 2:15s in there, but that's just when I go over. But for the most part, everything is the same time frame, and it goes, and that's that. Now, what I will tell you guys is this, so that you guys can see, it does not post at, so like this right here, I posted this at 8. It does not post at 8 o'clock on every single platform. As you can see, there's some time in between. There's 8, 8:02, 8:09, but 8:10, but it gets it all out at the exact time frame that you requested, right? So just be on the lookout for that. Your content is going to come out. If it does not post, it will tell you. It will send you an email, failed. Okay, it will tell you, hey, this failed. And 9 times out of 10, the reason why it's failed is because it lost connection with your account for whatever reason. And all you have to do is just go in there and reauthorize it, and you're good. It hasn't happened much to me. I can tell you that. So that was only one Instagram. And then once I got that email, I was able to reconnect it before the next post came out that day. And as you can see, no fails. So it's totally up to you. Listen, that's it for me. Thanks for rocking with Nerdy's Umbrella. If you're still here, I truly do appreciate you. Remember, there are affiliate links down in the description. If you're thinking about OpusClip, go ahead and click on it. And it helps the channel and helps me to continue to put out content like this. So remember, stay random, stay weird, and remember that the umbrella is big enough for us all. I'm Nerdy G, and I'm out.